I am really excited to share my experience as a coach today. First of all, I want to thank Dr. Sachin and Ajit for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Ajit. Thank you, Sachin. Yes, today morning we went for a corporate training at CRCL at Valasari Vakam. There, we conducted training for effective team building and communications. Yes, there we conducted lot of games, that is Lego, Jenga, Ball Pass, 0 to 60 cards. So many games we conducted. I, as a training coach, I understand how Sachin is conducting each and every games, and I understand the pattern and apply it with my template, and it really works for me. Yes, I have learned a lot for my TTT training. It's really adding values to my TTT training. Then also I understand lot of values, like I beautifully money mantra today I learned. So whatever you are investing on your learning, it will bounce to your earnings. Yeah, more you learn and more you earn. So this is such a golden opportunity, TTT trainers. Please make use of it. It will definitely helpful for your certifications as well as your personal growth. So thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.